Autobiography of a bird. I am a parrot. Right now I am sitting on a small swing in a cage. Yes, I am a cage bird. But there was a time when I used to fly and screech high in the sky, among the clouds. I used to go to various gardens and talk to the beautiful flowers. I used to have a wonderful time with other parrots. Then one day when I was sitting on the branch of a tree, a man came along silently and caught me in a net. He praised my colorful feathers and told his wife that I would fetch a good price. The next day, he took me to the market and sold me to another man. That man in turn gifted me to his little son. They had a cage ready for me, where I am now sitting. They love me a lot and have taught me to say a few words. They show me off to these guests. They give me guavas and chilies to eat. They think I am happy, but I am not. How can a cage bird ever be happy? So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you friends and bye bye.